Hello friends, hello everyone. My name is Aishwarya and welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics Minutes. So to everyone, I wish Happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance. So today, my topic for today's video is that how to make separate sheets based on the particular category or particular column. Okay. So here I have taken one example based on the employee data set. So if you have employee data set over here, we have three attributes of the variables. We have employee ID, name, department. Okay. So if you check the C column, that is a department, the three unique values which are present over here is data, social media, and web. So what I'm going to do is I want to make separate sheets in this Excel workbook named data, social media, and web. Okay, within one click, not manual. Also, whatever the data is associated with that particular department, that data must be present, that respective sheet. Okay, so now once we created data, social media, web sheets, okay, so whatever data is associated that with that particular department. So now, for example, in the data, we have 1, 2, 3, Ram, Ramesh, Meena. So that data must be present in the data sheet. Secondly, for the social media sheet, we have only a single value that is for Sheena, that must be present. And lastly, for the web department, that is for the web sheet, the sheet named web 5, 6 Mukesh Dhare must be present. So you can do it manually. But what if you have like what if you have a data set and you have one column and there are like 6 to 7 categories. So you need to make 6 to 7 sheets. So and also you want to paste the data which is associated with that sheet. So for example, you have one data that is suppose the data that could be anything, any hypothetical data, and you have one column as colors. So there are 7 to 8 unique colors, and the data is associated with that particular color. So you need to create 7 to 8 shields, and also you need to paste the data associated with that shield. So this is very manual work we want to reduce. So you can achieve this within a few steps. Okay. So here we have three unique categories, that is data, social media, web, and then we have something like 6 to 7 unique colors we have, and we have want to make that separate sheets, and also data must be pasted. So without any further ado, let's get started. We will just achieve this in a few steps. Okay, and so let me tell you, this whole process it can be automated using pivot table. Okay, so pivot table is very versatile. So I just want to tell you that don't underestimate the power of a pivot table. Okay, so as I said, this whole process is going to be automated using pivot table. So yes, we will insert pivot table now. So just go to this, insert pivot table from table page, new option. Okay. So now here in this filter section, so we have 4 sections: filters, columns, rows, values, as we. So this filter section, whatever column where the categories are present, or the whatever the column where categories are present, and based on which column we want to prepare those separate sheets. Okay. So that column we must drag it into the filter section. Now here we have department, and as I told you, data, web, and social media. Okay. So 3 separate sheets I want to create. Okay. So this column, department column, must be present in filter section. And remaining all other columns must be present in rows section. Okay. Got it? Now the second step is go to design. Go to design. For subtotals, in this first subtotals, show not show subtotals, and for grand totals of for rows and columns. Okay. And in this report layout, show it in a tabular form. Got it? These 3 steps. Okay. And now this pivot table analyze. Second, pivot table analyze. Go to options, show report filter pages. Now, whatever the column through which the categories are present or on basis of for what we need to create the sheets, that particular attribute is present over here. So department. So in the other case, as I told you about the colors, so that color column. Okay. So just press OK. So it is present. I will check and just zoom it out. Now in this data, we have 1, 2, 3, Ram, Ramesh, Meena. In social media, we have Sheena. And in web, we have 5, 6, Mukesh Dhare. Okay. So within these few steps, only 3, 4 steps, within 5 minutes, we created these sheets. So you can try it on the data set where there are 6 to 7 categories. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to add your doubts in the comment section. I will just clear it off. So thank you guys. All the best.